What is parathyroid hormone?
Parathyroid hormone is a hormone that increases blood calcium levels.
Quiz. How exactly do you think blood calcium levels can be increased? List 3 methods to raise blood calcium concentration.
Correct. The first method is dissolving the calcium storage in bones to release calcium into the blood. The second method is reabsorbing calcium from the kidneys that would otherwise be excreted in urine. The third method is increasing calcium absorption from the intestines. Let's look at each method in more detail. This field still has many unexplained aspects, so I will explain what is currently written in textbooks and texts.
Quiz. What dissolves the bone?
Correct. It's the osteoclast. Osteoclasts crash the bone. Remember clast crash. PTH increases the activity of osteoclasts, which dissolves the bone and raises blood calcium levels. This happens because the receptor rank on osteoclasts is stimulated by its ligand, rank ligand. Rank ligand is produced by osteoblasts.
By what means?
PTH binds to receptors on osteoblasts, leading to the production of rank ligand. Remembering this sequence may help you understand it better. PTH, rank ligand, rank, crash bones. Now, since bones store calcium in the form of hydroxyapatite, phosphorus also naturally increases in the bloodstream. Calcium interacts with phosphorus in many ways in the body. High calcium intake inhibits phosphorus uptake from the gut, and a high phosphorus intake may decrease the absorption of calcium. Thus, the ion product of calcium and phosphorus in our bodies is kept constant. The kidneys regulate this balance. PTH increases blood calcium levels by promoting the reabsorption of calcium in the kidneys. Conversely, it lowers blood phosphorus levels by promoting phosphorus excretion in the urine. Let's explain in more detail. PTH promotes calcium reabsorption in the distal tubules of the kidneys. And PTH promotes phosphorus excretion in the proximal tubules. PTH increases blood calcium levels by promoting the reabsorption of calcium in the kidneys. Conversely, it lowers blood phosphorus levels by promoting phosphorus excretion in the urine. Now, at the same time, PTH promotes the activation of vitamin D in the kidneys.
Quiz. How does PTH activate vitamin D?
Correct. PTH stimulates the production of 1-alpha hydroxylase in the proximal convoluted tubule, activating vitamin D. The activated vitamin D promotes the absorption of calcium and phosphorus in the intestines.
Vitamin D promotes the absorption of both calcium and phosphorus. Let's summarize here. PTH increases the concentration of calcium in the blood and decreases the concentration of phosphorus. Vitamin D increases both calcium and phosphorus levels in the blood. Please pay attention to this difference.
Lastly, let's review calcium homeostasis in the blood. Calcium in the blood is classified into two types, the type bound to albumin, and the unbound free calcium. The active form is free calcium. Albumin binds to calcium and hydrogen ions.
Quiz. What happens if the blood becomes acidic?
Correct. When the blood becomes acidic, calcium and hydrogen ions are exchanged, increasing free calcium.
What about alkalosis?
Correct. Calcium binds to albumin, so free calcium decreases.